Come ride with us.
Hey, it's T with Arizona Riders Club. I was just having a conversation with my man right here. We both had to admit that this thing is a beautiful car, right? It's absolutely amazing. Shelby GT500. It doesn't get much more better than this when we're talking about American muscle. Now, yeah, you could go get yourself a supercar for $500,000. We understand that, but this is a Mustang SBT Cobra GT500. Do you want a piece of it? I don't think so. All right, so step to the side and let us get to business, okay? All right. 2013 Shelby, and I didn't mean to come at you guys. It's just a lot of Mustang haters out there. I am not one of them, but we all know they're out there. So one last peek before we get into these other Stangs that are right over here. We've got a couple down the line. I'm just going to give you a rundown. There's a mix and match of classic cars, hot rods, trucks, what am I thinking about? Muscle cars. And speaking of muscle cars, do we get any better than this? I mean, we all have our preference, right? But God dang it, this is a Nova, man, and it's gonna get you. Let's go around. Yeah, you see that? You see that bling bling? Bling bling. Ooh, no info, guys. What? Give me a guess. What do you guys think this is? Huh? 62, 63? I'm not quite sure. There's no info on it right here. Oops, gotcha. Man, that thing's beautiful. Another fine piece of American engineering. Ford GT. 2005 Mustang GT 4.6 liter V8. Whew, that's cramped up in there. But I like it. Here we go with another one. We have a 2008 GT. Looks very, very similar, guys. Beautiful truck. 34 Ford. Looks amazing. 2014 Camaro. Yes, sir. Oh, he's about to dip. Time to go. Ford F100. We've been running into these things all day. Now, hold on, man. Hold on, man. Look at this thing. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Mustang haters, eat your heart out. 2017 Ford Mustang V6. You don't want none of that. Burbo. Brand new Burbo. GMC. Not bad. What? Packard? What is that? What the heck is this? Edsel? Anybody ever heard of an Edsel? There we go. Now back to what we were doing. I think I seen myself a Cadillac over here. We're gonna go check it out after we see this Edsel. Huh, not bad. Ranger, Edsel Ranger. That's a new one for me. I don't think I've ever heard of an Edsel Ranger. Ooh-wee. Yeah, man, I got to get a piece of this one before he gets up out of here. Take a look at this thing, man. Shoo. Oh, man. Wind doesn't stop.